we'll guide you through how to create a Printify pop-up shop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. On the dashboard, locate the Sales Channels tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it to explore the available options for setting up your shop. Next, select the Printify pop-up shop option from the list. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your shop. Choose something catchy and relevant to your brand to attract potential customers. After naming your shop, you'll need to customize the look. Navigate to the design section where you can select themes, colors, and upload your logo. This is your chance to make your pop-up shop truly represent your brand identity, so take your time to make it visually appealing. Once you've set up the design, go to the products section here. You can add the products you want to feature in your shop. If you haven't created any products yet, head over to the My Products tab to design new ones. You can choose from a variety of items like t-shirts, mugs, and more. Make sure to configure each product with the right pricing and descriptions. After adding your products, return to the pop-up shop settings to finalize the setup. You can adjust shipping options, payment settings, and any additional policies necessary for your shop. Finally, preview your shop to see how it looks to visitors. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your pop-up shop. Share the link with your audience and start promoting it to drive traffic and sales. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.